Hello, I'm Jason Clark, Talisker Single Malt Whisky Ambassador, and today I'm going to be teaching you a really indulgent cocktail which is far from conventional. We're going to be making the Talisker Campfire Hot Chocolate, and this is the ultimate luxury way to enjoy the salty, spicy, smoky character of Talisker whiskey. It's really easy to make this at home. I've got this little device here which is going to heat it and whisk it as we go. If you don't have one of these, you can actually steam it on a milk wand on a coffee machine, or you can heat it in a saucepan on the stovetop. I've got an oat and barley milk here. The flavour pairs really nicely with the whiskey, but you could also use almond milk, soy, classic dairy, whatever you prefer from home. I've got my favourite chocolate powder here, so you can use whatever you happen to have in the pantry, and altogether a really luxurious Talisker Campfire Hot Chocolate. So first add 160 mils of your milk into your heating device. Next add 25 grams of your favourite chocolate powder, and we're going to add 5 mils of golden syrup. We're going to turn this on so it starts to whisk and heat it up, and finally a little pinch of salt. Now that the cocktail is nice and hot and fluffy, you're going to add 50 mils of Talisker single malt whiskey and pour it into your mug. Frothy, decadent hot chocolate. Now we're ready to garnish. If you want to be really naughty like I am here, a lotus cookie s'more. That is our Talisker Campfire Hot Chocolate. Enjoy.